What is up, everyone? I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. In today's video, it's going to just be testing out mainly it's kind of face stuff. I don't even really know what this video is going to be because we just got a primer, a lip thing, a face spray, and a mascara. So that's kind of what we're just going to be trying out. But it's from the new, well, Essence isn't new, but it's Essence, their High Beauty line. So it's supposed to have hemp seed oil, their High Beauty Caring Lip Balm. It's with hemp seed oil and plant waxes. It's regenerating and vegan. Soft rose lip. Oh, it's meant to be rose too. That's interesting. Oh, it's got a little pink color. Okay. That is the weirdest texture for a lip balm. And it also does not taste that good. Oh, it's making my lips tingle. So, the back of it says, a soft rose lip balm texture for smooth and regenerated lips, formulated with a caring hemp seed oil, vitamin E, and a blend of rich plant oils and ingredients, like from castor, sunflower, and olive. The balm melts into the skin, leaving lips soft and supple for a natural finish. It's starting to give me a headache because I'm starting to smell the rose out of it. I want it off my lips. I guess I should also mention it's first impressions. No. And it's a pink, just the Burt's Bees pink grapefruit. I just need to get that scent away. Like, oh my goodness. At first I didn't smell anything. So next we're gonna try, again, it's their High Beauty line. This is the Hydrating Face Primer, and it's with caring hemp seed oil, moisturizing, vegan, and refreshing. Soft yellow lightweight primer formulated for a happy, healthy, radiant complexion. The creamy texture applies smoothly and results in a soft, translucent finish. Moisturizing, refreshing, and caring primer texture with hemp seed oil and magnolia extract. Use alone or under the makeup for all skin tones. Okay. Oh, it is yellow. Okay, so at least this one doesn't smell like rose, but you can definitely see the yellow of it. Whoa. What is that smell though? And so far this line is seeming to be very highly fragranced, and I don't like it. I mean, it feels hydrating and a little bit refreshing. Just the scent. I don't think I can get on board with that. It leaves it a little bit sticky. Should we see how, actually yeah, we can do one more little test thing. So I kind of know somewhat how this guy performs, the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation, but we got a new sponge in, our Trend Mood box. I will link that in the IN down below if you guys want to check it out. But it came with one of their the makeup eraser sponge. What is going on with this? But it's machine washable, so I have not tried it yet, but I just got it wet, and we're just going to try it with the foundation. actually, we also need, here's one. Although so far, oh, I don't think I like this foundation with a sponge. It's not as full coverage as I would like. It's definitely, or maybe the sponge is soaking up a lot of the product. Although the sponge is seeming to be a little bit bouncy. Like, it's got a good bounce to it and a good, like it's, you know, a little bit pliable. It's not too tough. It's a little springy and bounce. And I definitely gonna have to try the sponge more, because it's a little bit, actually, it's a little bit softer. It might be a little bit more soft than like the Real Technique, you know, the orange makeup sponge. I don't know. Are you really any different than any other sponge? Are you just an, oh, well, actually you're machine washable. We have to wash you and see how you work. That is going to be the real test on you. So, but other than that, I mean, I didn't even use this side, but you can try and use that for the concealer. See how this little point works. It's got a really, really tiny point. So just like, I guess the I don't know. I like the point with the flat better than this actually. But then so here's the Huda sponge. This is the Real Techniques, and then the makeup eraser. I think actually I like you the best, because I enjoy this, the rounded edge, and then it's still got a nice point. To where like this you only have like, I don't know. And then this one you couldn't set it, because I don't know what I'm doing. But yep. First impression, I like you. And you're washable. Set you aside right there. Now, before we do this, I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera. Okay. So I just quickly do whatever I felt like it. And we're gonna use the Essence Mattifying Makeup Fixing Mist. And with Evermatte. My bottle got a little messed up in the mail, I guess. Actually, there we go. I did not want those dots on my face. And then the back of you, fairly little says, I can't read it. It's the Little Spa Experience for your face. Mattifying makeup fixing spray with hydrating hemp complexions and Evermatte from Cedarma. For a revitalized, moisturized, and matte complexion, the light refreshing mist reliably fixes the makeup. Done. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and then we're gonna try this, and that's pretty much it. So it's got a pretty spiky wand on it. Why did I do that? Why didn't I just let it dry? Anyways, we're just gonna, I'll fix it in a minute. So it says conditioning and strengthening volume mascara with organic hemp seed oils and plant waxes. It's got sunflower waxes. Wow. Now it just says it's supposed to just give you volume, so it's kind of just looking like, yeah. It's not really giving them length or anything. That's not the claims either, so. There we go with a one coat. And let's just see what it does with two. First impression on this mascara, I like it. It's still a little bit wet, so it might take a few minutes to dry down, but that's okay. the wand is not too bad, and I mean, it made them nice, and to me it looks like there's volume, right? So I can't really give you, I mean, I like the mister on this, and mister was pretty nice and misty. At first I thought it was going to have like those little clumps and everything, but it didn't. It was just the way it came out at first. I like this. I will try and give you guys maybe an update in the pinned comment and let you know. Because this, I mean, it's only like $4 or $5 again. It's Essence. And then, first impressions on this. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Like, and then first impressions on this. I mean, it was a nice hydrating formula. Don't know the lasting power. Again, I will put a pinned comment down below after trying it out for a little bit. I need to make a mental note because I will forget. Oh, and then this sponge. You probably are my new favorite sponge. 2 reasons, because you're just kind of amazing, and 2, you're almost like a purple. I know it's like red, but still, it's almost like a purple. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this first impressions on the Essence High Beauty makeup line. I mean, I like it for the most part, except for that lip thing. You know, get that guy out of here. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What day is this video going up? Let's see, what is today? Today is Saturday. This is going up Tuesday, so I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye! What is up, everyone? I hope y'all are having... Did I get darker? I think I got darker. Why? Why'd you do that, camera? Why am I using the viewfinder? What is up, you guys? I hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. If not, try to have a better one, I guess. Sorry, it's going bad. Maybe this video will make it better. What is this doing? I don't... There's already a cat hair on it. Oh, why don't we change the... What is up? Why am I holding this? The little spot experience for your face. Mattifying makeup fixing spray with hydrating hemp complexions and ever matte from Cedarma? For a revitalized, moisturized, and matte complexion. The light refreshing mist. Oh my goodness, I cannot read. The light refreshing mist flexibly. Why? Jesus. Oh, the light refreshing mist reliably fixes the makeup. I'm done. Can we try that again though? The little spot